Okay, so hello, I'm Haoqi and I'm from China. I'm very glad to join this TTC course in SoShanti, which was a really good experience. It was actually, I could say, an amazing experience with SoShanti Yoga. So I'm a beginner for the yoga, but during this class, I really learned a lot about yoga. The class is so well structured and which can give you a really good start to begin your journey in yoga. So the things which I like most in the SoShanti Yoga studio is the teachers, which are really good. They are really good at all the teaching things. They are so caring and they never hesitate to share what they know with us. So our teacher, Bishnuji, which is young, but he is experienced and he was so good at the asanas and the alignment with him was not boring. It's a bit painful, but it was really helpful. And our teacher, BJ, he was also a real yogi and he's really gentle and he cares for us all. And we really like his class. He teaches us meditation, asanas, and philosophy. So meditation with him was never boring. He made meditation something really energetic. And also the Kundalini studio, which opens the chakra, that one with him is also really a good experience. And our anatomy teacher, Brooke, she's also amazing. Anatomy could be so boring if we don't have her. She just made anatomy something which is very easy to understand. And also our Ayurveda teacher is really good, which sorry I forgot her name, but before I have no idea about what is Ayurveda. I just know it's some kind of Indian medicine, but she made me feel like Ayurveda is something really interesting, which I want to learn more about the future. And we had really good experience with all of the people in SoShanti. So we're not just having class together, but also we went to the waterfall trekking and we meditated there, which was also an amazing experience. And also I had the best poha and chai in SoShanti during the summer. So at that time we cooked together. Actually it was most of our teacher who did most of the work. The poha is the best thing I ever had. So I would like to say thank you always to everyone I met in SoShanti. I love you all and hope to meet you again in future. Namaste.